Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to make x the subject of the formula. So making something subject of the formula is like opening a box and then trying to reach for something. So imagine this is the box and then we're trying to reach for x. Okay, let's do it. First thing that is a problem is this square root. How do you remove the square root? So whenever you want to remove the square root, just put squared around. Now the rules of mathematics say if you do something on the left side, you have to do it on the right side. Then I do it even on this side. So I square this side and I square that side, leaving me with this thing inside. 1 minus square root of 1 minus 1 over 3 plus y over x, which is equal to 9. Let's continue solving. Now, we can't just take x because it's still bounded by the square root. And we can't just do square because if you do that, we are going to make the question very, very complicated. In order to square, we need the square root to be alone, just like in the first step. So we have to take 1 on the other side. Taking 1 to the other side will leave this over x equals to 9 minus 1. Now, once we have this, we can then proceed to say, okay, this is square root of 1 minus 1 over 3 plus y over x equals to 8. Okay. Then now we can square both sides like we did in the first place. But you can say, wait a minute, there is negative. The square is not alone. Yes, negative is just a number. It's like negative 1 times the square root, so it's fine. So you know that this cancels this, just like here, this cancelled this, and then we are left with something inside the box. So we are going to have 1 minus 1 over 3 plus y over x, which is equals to 64. But you may ask yourself, why when I square negative, it becomes positive? It is because negative 1 squared is the same as negative 1 times negative 1, which is negative times negative, which is positive. Okay, let's proceed with solving. We want x. Take 1 to the other side. So 1 over 3 plus y over x negative is equal to 64 minus 1. And then negative 1 over 3 plus y over x is equal to 63. I want to make x substitute of the formula. Now here's a simple trick. Since this is on the denominator and this is here, I can just swap this. I can just say 1 over 63 is equals to 3 plus y over x. I've swapped this and this. I can then take 3 on the other side. 63 minus 3 equals to y over x. Remember on that part where I swapped this and that? Even here, I can swap this and that, making this x equals to y over negative 1 over 63 minus 3. So that's how you do the subject of the formula.